We all see him play different roles and always there as a mentor to help everyone. In the form of an administrator, in the form of a mentor, and here as the ISPL core committee member, and of course, the honorary treasurer of the BCCI. May I invite on stage Advocate Ashish Shedar. Whenever you talk about a league, whenever you talk about a concept, you need someone to execute it to perfection. Right from the smallest of things to the biggest of things. And that is where you need someone to run it in the right way. May I invite on stage the League Commissioner of the Indian Street Premier League and the Apex Council member of the Mumbai Cricket Association, Mr. Suraj Sampat. Yes, and then may I invite and have the honor of inviting, when we had the first season, they emerged as the champions. And in this season, they'll go as the defending champions. The co-owners of Tigers of Kolkata, Mr. Saif Ali Khan and Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan on the stage. And a big round of applause for all our dignitaries on the stage, where we are here to take the day and the Super Sunday ahead. We spoke about season 1. मैंने आपको बताया कि वो सीजन कैसा था, आपने गेवी भी देखी और जिसमें हमने कहा कि एक रिवोल्यूशन था, एक इवोल्यूशन आया that broke down the walls and the barriers literally, where we made that transition from street to stadium. 18 लाख से ज्यादा registrations first season में, 96 दमदार players, 6 जबरदस्त teams और एक amazing tournament, the Indian Street Premier League. And as they say in commentary, the ISPL literally hit it out of the park in its maiden season. It was not just a success, it was a resounding success, and it is now a movement where everybody wants to be a part of it. Let's have a look at what exactly that season was in the form of an AD.
Indian Street Premier League T10.
एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है एक अच्छे स्टेज पे जाके परफॉर्म करने की। मेरा बचपन का सपना पूरा हो जाएगा। वही है कि जुनून है। I wish that would change my whole life here.
Prize, the name of the co-owners of the Indian Street Premier League. Like the Lulu, owned by Hrithik Roshan, now co-owned by KVN Enterprises LLP, Mr. Venkat Narayan. Team Mumbai, owned by Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, co-owned now, Park Limited, Mrs. Niti Agarwal. Then Team Hyderabad, now co-owned by INR Holdings at 200 crores, Mr. Irfan Razak. Co-owners of Team Chennai, Mr. Rajdeep Gupta and Mr. Sandeep Gupta. Team Kolkata, now co-owned by the AGVPL Group, Mrs. Aksha Kamboj.
So there's so many registrations that we have to very quickly, keep the selection process moving.
Come from the streets to the stadium, be a part of ISPL. The revolution is for you. ISPL, go, 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 go!
सारे रजिस्टर्ड प्लेयर्स में से 101 प्लेयर ISPL देने जा रहा है 101 स्कॉलरशिप के साथ 1 लाख रुपए की स्कॉलरशिप।
सभी गोल्डन टिकट होल्डर्स को मैं देने जा रहा हूं फैमिली कार्ड, जिसे आप सारे मैचेस फ्री में देख पाएंगे, वो भी स्टेडियम।
सभी गोल्डन टिकट होल्डर्स को ISPL ये बैट देगा।
Even today when the music was playing, Ashish sir, it felt like we are at Dadoji Kondev Stadium, the kind of vibe that we had here, okay? So that's what it is all about. We'll take the conversations ahead, the interactions ahead. We'll have a nice interaction with everybody here. But to speak on behalf of the ISPL, what happened in Season 1, what lies ahead in Season 2, may I request the co-committee member of the ISPL and the Honorary Treasurer of the BCCI, Advocate Ashish Shelar, to say a few words.
स्टेज पर सचिन होने के बाद मुझे ओपनिंग करने के लिए बुलाया। आज ISPL सीजन 2 हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं और हम सब ने देखा है कि ISPL 1 का सीजन कैसे गया। ISPL 1 से 2 के बीच में हमें एक बहुत बड़ा नुकसान ISPL परिवार को हुआ। वो हमारे दोस्त, हमारे कोर कमेटी मेंबर, MCA के प्रेसिडेंट अमोल हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे। सूरज और अमोल, इनकी ये बेसिक आइडिया थी। अमोल उसमें बहुत एंथुसियास्टिक था। अमोल ने इसमें काफ़ी मेहनत की, उसमें लगन लगाई। आज ISPL अपना दौर पूरे देश में स्ट्रीट से स्टेडियम तक इस जर्नी को बहुत जल्दी कैप्चर कर रहा है। लेकिन अमोल हमारे बीच में नहीं है। उसकी यादें, उसकी सपोर्ट, उसकी डायरेक्शंस हमारे साथ ऑलवेज रहेगी। जब हम लोग इस लीग को शुरू कर रहे थे तब मन में ये भी शंका थी कि होगा कैसे, सपोर्ट जनरेट होगा क्या। लेकिन करते करते इस लीग का रिकॉग्निशन अभी, सूरज अगर मैं कहूं तो गलत नहीं होगा, इंटरनेशनली भी हो चुका है। और मेरा ये अधिकार नहीं कि आज मैं उसको घोषित करूं, लेकिन सचिन जी और मैं शायद बहुत जल्दी उस दिशा में आप सबको लेके जाएंगे। एक गली में खेलने वाला लड़का, अब मैं लड़का कह रहा हूं, बहुत जल्द लड़कियों को भी शामिल करना पड़ेगा, कि वो अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए जब आगे बढ़ता है, बहुत सारे फॉर्मेलिटीज उसके बीच में रोड़ा बल के आती है कि मैं किसी क्लब के लिए खेलूं, मैं क्लब हो, रजिस्टर हो, मुझे कोई टूर्नामेंट खेलने का मौका मिले। टैलेंट है, लेकिन ये बीच के रोड़े मुझे तकलीफ देते हैं, मेरे टैलेंट को रुकवा देते हैं। ऐसा कौन सा जर्नी है जो टैलेंट को सीधा स्ट्रीट से निकलकर स्टेडियम तक लेके जाता है? तो पूरे देश में यही की लीग है जिसका नाम है ISPL, जो बीच में किसी भी तरीके के स्पीड ब्रेकर नहीं रखता और उस टैलेंट को सीधा स्टेडियम तक पहुंचाता है। हमारा ये परिवार भी अभी 18-19 लाख बच्चों का हुआ है। ऐसी कौन सी लीग है कि जिसके पास 19-20 लाख यूथ की पूरी जानकारी है, उनकी स्पेशलिटी, उनका टैलेंट, उनका हुनर, उनकी हाइट, उनकी बॉलिंग, उनकी एक्शन, उनकी बैटिंग, ये सब ऐसा कोई और लीग नहीं है जो ISPL है। तो मुझे लगता है कि अपने आप में इस ISPL की जर्नी को दुनिया में आगे बढ़ाने की तरफ हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और हमारे देश के हर बच्चे को, हर युवा को रिकॉग्निशन भी मिले, रिम्यूनरेशन भी मिले और घर जब जाए तो उसको ये सेंस भी मिले कि वो घर को चला सकता है। इस प्रकार का उसको मौका भी मिले। मुझे लगता है यही ISPL का सक्सेस है। मैं सभी टीम ओनर्स, को ओनर्स और हमारे सभी परिवार के सदस्यों को बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं और आप सबको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच आशीष सर। जैसे आपने कहा कि कोई भी स्पीड ब्रेकर नहीं होगा और यहाँ पे आपको बस हाईवेज मिलेंगे, पिचेस अच्छे मिलेंगे, रन्स बड़े होंगे और रूल्स तो आपको मालूम है, एक पर्टिकुलर दिशा में अगर आप मारते हैं तो 6 नहीं 9 रन्स मिलते हैं। इक्वली बैलेंस्ड फॉर द बैटर्स एंड द bowlers as well. As we saw there, we had 6 teams, in season 1. In season 2 also, we'll be having 6 teams. As we celebrate the spirit of the ISPL, let's turn our attention to the incredible teams that made season 1 truly unforgettable and special, along with being so memorable. We'd like to invite all the team owners one by one, but we'll have a nice the anthem played of all the 6 teams, which tells us about their journey, their team owners, their co-owners, and that's how we'll take it ahead. So one by one, we'll have the AVs played, we'll have a small memento to be presented to the team owners, and then we take the Super Sunday ahead. So if our back-end team is ready, if we can have the first AV played of the team, Srinagar ke Veer. Mr. Sunit Morarji. May I invite Mr. Sunit Morarji or a representative of Srinagar ke Veer to kindly come up on the stage. May I request Advocate Ashish Shelar to present a memento and token of appreciation on behalf of the team owner of Srinagar ke Veer. Keep the claps going, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Yes, so from Srinagar ke Veer, right up there, north of India, we come to the next team, that is the KVN Bangalore Strikers. The team co-owned by Mr. Surya and owned by Mr. Rajdeep Gupta and Mr. Sandeep Gupta. May I invite the team owners of the Chennai Singhams on stage. May I request Mr. Sachin Tendulkar to kindly do the honors. Champions of Season 1, who will be now the defending champions in the second season of the ISPL, the Tigers of Kolkata. Wow, that is what it was. Kolkata, normally known for its sweets, will now be known for the first champions of the ISPL. May I invite the owner of Tigers of Kolkata, Mrs. Aksha Kamboj, along with the co-owners, Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Mr. Saif Ali Khan, to kindly come up on stage. And may I request Mr. Sachin Tendulkar to kindly do the honors and present a token of appreciation on behalf of the ISPL to Mrs. Aksha Kamboj, Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Mr. Saif Ali Khan. Champions of the first season of the ISPL. Thank you. So those were the 6 teams, and how catchy those anthems are of each and every team. And a couple of sights, if you must have seen, that brilliant catch, that middle stump being knocked out, that tape ball being used, some priceless reactions that we saw, and that is what real candid moments are all about. And that is what we got to see in the ISPL Season 1. Can we have one big round of applause for that remarkable success that we had for Season 1? Okay, going ahead, there's a beautiful concept that the team has thought about. It's about getting all those memories, वो सारी यादें एक ही book में, where we are going to unveil a beautiful coffee table book which has all those memories encapsulated in that one beautiful book, which you all must see. May I request the back-end team to kindly get those books, and may I request the dignitaries to kindly unveil them on the stage, the coffee table books of the ISPL Season 1. that also presents us a wonderful photo opportunity. Yes, so that's a beautiful, all those wonderful images, a few messages coming in from our co-committee members of the ISPL as well. Now, along with the coffee table books, we are thrilled to announce a couple of new concepts. One is the app or the application of the ISPL, where you can, just on your cell phones, register yourself as names, and then it's a beta version and helps you at the registration. Along with that, we had a website already in the first season, but in the second season, we have just added a few features, new features, where you can straight go in to registrations, and you can also chat on WhatsApp, which makes the interactions very easy and facilitates interactions quite fast as well. So firstly, we will unveil or launch the app of the ISPL. May I request Mr. Sachin Tendulkar to kindly do the honors, and if I could request the back-end team to just present that, and if you can just connect it on the big screen where we have. Yes, so that is where the ISPL app has been launched at the hands of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, and as I was telling you, it is in the beta version, and along with that, it is very easy for people, players in the rural areas especially. You may not have a laptop, but on the cell phone, you can just enter your name and registration becomes really fast. Going ahead, as I said, we had the website in the first season, but in the second season, we have updated it with a lot of new features. May I request Advocate Ashish Shelar to kindly launch the website. And if you can have it presented to Advocate Ashish Shelar, with all the new features that it has. Your phone number now serves as your login IP and the password. There's an interactive WhatsApp chat that you can have, a callback request that you have, and in case you want to change your city, because this year, the second season, we've had about 55 cities added. If you want to change your cities, you can still do that on the website. Can you have a round of applause for the app and the website that has been launched of the Indian Street Premier League? Now the big announcement, which I'll have the honor of doing. We now declare that now that the season 1 of the Indian Street Premier League was a resounding success, we now announce with our adrenaline pumping that Indian Street Premier League Season 2 begins now. Can we have a round of applause for that? Where in the presence of all the dignitaries, we have the ISPL launch. I'll just tell you a couple of new things that we have. This season's trials will be hosted in 55 cities. Now you can just imagine 55 cities across 5 zones. Of course, Central, East, West, North and South. And they'll start from the 1st of October. All the information regarding the trial dates for the respective cities is now updated on the website and the app. It is also mentioned in the press release and the press kit. The tournament dates are official. It will take place, the ISPL Season 2 will take place from the 26th of January to the 9th of February 2025 at the Dadoji Kondev Stadium in Thane. So please mark your dates. 26th January is where we'll have the launch and the grand finale to be played on the 9th of February 2025. There's more to it. It's a special provision. All of us must know of this provision. 55 cities I've told you. But there's a new provision that the organizers have made. If there's any organization or any individual who wishes to help and promote the youth in their own region through the Indian Street Premier League, all they have to do is organize an ISPL registration camp in their city and register at least 1,500 cricketers. Register at least 1,500 cricketers. Once they meet this requirement, that city will be added to the list of 55 cities. The organization or the individual involved will definitely receive a special recognition from the Indian Street Premier League. For all the details and more updates, you always have the ISPL website for a quick reference. So that's a special provision that the Indian Street Premier League will have getting into season 1. Can we have one big round of applause where we have 55 cities and also a special provision to take it ahead. So now we heard Advocate Ashish Shelar express his thoughts in his interaction. But going ahead with Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Saif Ali Khan and Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, I'll have the honor of interacting with them in a quick 15-20 minute interaction, and then we take the discussion ahead. Well, but we'll start with the defending champion, with the lady in the house. You know, the first question that I'd like to ask you, when Tigers of Kolkata were playing, you were there to cheer the team. You were also there at the Women's Premier League at the Firozshah Kotla, the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi. Has your passion for cricket evolved over a period of time, or you were always a cricket fan?
Born in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, a Mumbaiker at heart. I'm also still, right now, just so stunned and excited that I'm sitting next to the living legend, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, who I think we've just watched on the TV screens at our home and gone like, oh my God. So I am completely awestruck right now, being next to him as well and being part of the ISPL. Coming back to my journey of cricket, I think I've always, been a great fan of watching and enjoying the sport for its team spirit, for the fact that it stands for the heart of what India also stands for. I think when there is a cricket match, every Indian somehow is just glued to, the screen, and your heart is beating. So I've always enjoyed watching that, but never thought I would be a co-owner of a team. Then also never thought I would be married to, into a cricket home where the legend himself and his son, that I would, interact and hear so many old cricketing stories. So definitely over time it has evolved. The love and the passion has grown, definitely. It's not happened overnight. It's grown because as you grow older, you hear such stories from Saif about, cricket back in the 60s and 70s, and it kind of just gives you also more and more love for the sport when you hear it. And now at the stadium, on the launch opening day of the ISPL, to see those players and my team members, Tigers of Kolkata, play with that passion, I think that even added more, to the love of cricket.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I'll come back and ask another question later on, but if, and as you say in cricketing terminologies, if you could change strike, and if I could request Saif Ali Khan, the name Tigers of Kolkata, the name Tiger is a very special name for you. But if you were to start this interaction, we just had a triumph in the T20 World Cup. So what are your thoughts on a potential film on the lines of the T20 World Cup triumph?
I think sports films are really exciting to watch, but they're also difficult to make. So provided we can capture the excitement and the challenges that people go through to achieve these things, I think sports films are wonderful. And I hope, we can find the right people to make it really well. Because, like I said, they're difficult to make. But I think the Indian team at different levels for a while now has been shining very bright internationally. It's taken a long time to get there, and the sun of cricket seems to shine on different nations, and now it's our time. So it's a wonderful time for all of us to be very proud of. And the T20, of course, an amazing story, and it would be wonderful.
Yes, absolutely. Looking forward to that, and this conversation will definitely be marked. Sachin sir, if I could request you, this is a